Yesterday I got in the mail my kiwi, my currant bushes. I have to replace a couple of them because they didn't make it a couple years ago. So I got new ones. So we got to plant those today. I also need to finish the greenhouse beds, filling those. Most of the way is already filled with dirt, topsoil actually. But now we gotta finish the rest of it, and of course feed the animals. And since I have a bunch of stuff all over the ground, I have to climb over everything. The greenhouse is a mess. That's my project today. Got to get it done. There is not much time left. I believe we're going to the range tomorrow, so it needs to get done today. There are a few other things that I need to get done, like I said, planting the kiwi, but those can just go into little pots and wait, and then we can acclimate them to the outside. They are a cold hardy kiwi, so we can plant them here. I believe we're zone 7A or 7B. Sometimes we drop into the 6, but not very often. A couple years ago we had a snowmageddon. That was awesome. Hopefully we don't have one of those again. So normally I feed the chickens at night, but I'm going to feed a little bit this morning just so they'll stay out of my way because I got some stuff to do over there as well. And you'll see exactly why I'm doing this, because they're going to basically tackle me. These chickens are real peckers. They actually weren't too bad. And we have rabbits in pens that they're not supposed to be in. A couple boys in with the girl. Now we got to find out which ones are the boys. Oh, that was awesome. Well, everybody's fed and watered, except for the turkeys. It's always my fun part of the day. I'm allergic to hay. All right, Greenhouse time. We're gonna get her done. I'm a farmer now. Well, the verdict's in. I didn't get everything I wanted done, but I got a lot done. So basically, what I was doing is transplanting some of my trees, putting a bunch of pots into the garden beds, and filling all the garden beds with the top growing media. And so the most of it was filled with dirt, topsoil, and then after that I was putting in the different type of potting mix. Kind of like potting soil, except for I make it here. Basically I just mix it up with different stuff along with the compost that we produce here. So probably going to go inside now, do some homework. That's usually what I do during the heat of the day when I can't be outside doing other stuff. I am getting my master's degree in agricultural science, so I do have classwork, homework, reading, all kinds of stuff still to do, but that's what I do during the middle of the day when it's hot. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go inside, drink a lot of water, and cool down. So we'll see you again soon. Bye.